So we made this review after testing this product for a while. Hope this video will help you to find the answer, is it suitable for you or not? Let's get started.
If you're considering CreditFirm for credit repair software, this review is based on my experience after using the platform for about 6 months. When I first started using CreditFirm, I was looking for a solution that could help simplify client management, organize disputes, and reduce the amount of manual work involved in running a credit repair business. After 6 months, I have a pretty good understanding of what the software does well and where it falls short. One of the biggest advantages is organization. CreditFirm makes it easier to keep client records, dispute histories, and communication in one place. Instead of relying on spreadsheets and multiple tools, everything is centralized, which improves efficiency and saves time. I also like the workflow management features. The software helps track client progress and keeps tasks organized, making it easier to stay on top of deadlines and follow-up actions. For businesses handling multiple clients at once, this can be a major benefit. Another positive is that the platform is fairly straightforward once you're familiar with it. Most of the core tools are easy to access, and daily operations become more streamlined over time. However, there are some drawbacks. The first is that new users may need time to learn the system. While it's not the most complicated platform I've used, there is still a setup process and a learning curve before you can fully utilize its features. Cost is another consideration. Depending on the size of your operation, the monthly subscription may or may not provide enough value. Smaller businesses should evaluate whether they truly need all of the available tools. It's also important to remember that CreditFirm is software designed to improve organization and workflow. It doesn't automatically improve dispute outcomes or guarantee results for clients. Before signing up, pay attention to the pricing structure, automation capabilities, reporting tools, and how well the software fits your specific business model. Overall, after 6 months of use, my experience with CreditFirm has been positive. It helped me stay organized, save time, and manage clients more effectively. Just make sure you're choosing it for the right reasons, and that the feature set aligns with your business needs before committing to a subscription.